Today we are going to learn full form and contracted form. English Standard 8th Prachi classes. So let's get started. Introductory activities. First of all, we will understood the full form and contracted form. Then we will turn to the question and answers. Here are two columns. First column is for full form and second column is contracted form. Full form means the full word and contracted form means short form. We can see the short form in our textbook. There are so many words that are written in short form. I am busy. In contracted form, they just added I and am and it become I am busy. They are tired. They are tired. In contracted form, they just add they and are. It become they are tired. He is not coming. He is not coming. In contracted form, they just add is and not. They just add is and not and it become he isn't coming. He isn't coming. Or we can also add he and is and it will be become he's not coming. He's not coming. You will like it. You will like it. In contracted form, they just add you and will and it become you will like it. You will like it. She will not like it. She will not like it. In contracted form, they just added will and not and it become she won't like it. We had been for a trip. We had been for a trip. In contracted form, they just add we and had and it become we had been for a trip. We had been for a trip. It must not happen again. It must not happen again. In contracted form, they just add must and not. Must and not and it become it mustn't happen again. That will be fine. That will be fine. In contracted form, they just added that and would. That and would and it become that will be fine. That will be fine. Do you not like it? Do you not like it? In contracted form, they just add you and not. You and not and it become don't you like it? Don't you like it? Let's turn to our question and answers. Fill up the gaps in the table below. Here are two columns. First is contracted form and second is full form. And we have to fill the gaps in the whole table. There are also gaps in contracted form and full form. So let's fill the gaps. First contracted form is let's and in the full form it becomes let us. So the fill up is let us. Second contracted form word is shalln't. Shalln't and in full form it become shall not. Shall not. Third word is they have. In contracted form it become they have. They have. Fourth word is were not. Were not and in contracted form it becomes weren't. Weren't. Fifth word is we are. We are. We are and in full form it becomes we are or we were. We are or we were. Our sixth word is cannot. Cannot. In contracted form, it become can't. Can't. Our seventh word is where is. Where is. In contracted form, it becomes where's. Where's. Our eighth word is what are. What are. In full form, it becomes what are. What are. Our ninth word is theirs. Theirs. In full form, it becomes there is. There is.